Hey guys, how's it going? Here's another unboxing. This is from Luxurious Leopards, my Turkish delight. It's upside down. Wow. It's really nice. I'm gonna have to ask Pat which one is which. I think he said the male was light and the female was the bold one. Now, TURCMENICUS are known for being super bold, where they have the just black bold lines on them, on their pattern. So these are really cool. Obviously, they're going to be very variable because there's, you know, just hundreds of different kinds of each one. So the male, you can see he's got the bold markings, and the female, so they're going to make some really cool babies. But that's if the bold one is female. I got to look at his email and see what he said and get hatch dates and all that from him. But yeah, badass. So thank you, Pat, and this is the unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to snag some pictures and I'll see you all later.